Welcome back to the Blatt Files, the podcast where we explore all things bug and pest. I'm your host, Professor Blatt, with Pro Control Pest Service. Not really a professor, but what you gonna do about it? And today we're diving into common termite species in Mississippi. I'll talk about their biology, life cycle, casts, swarming details, peak swarm times, and effective control using Termidor SC's non-repellent transfer effect. So, grab your coffee and let's explore some bugs, my friends. These Mississippi termites never ask, is the bartender? The humidity already makes the whole state one big juicy yes. Today, we're diving into common termite species right here in the Hattiesburg and Petal area. If you live anywhere in South Mississippi, termites are just seasonal. They're a year-round threat. Around Hattiesburg and Petal, the most common species you'll run into are Eastern Subterranean termites and the more aggressive Formosan termites. Let's start with their biology. Termites are social insects that feed on cellulose. Basically anything made from wood or plant material. That means your home, your walls, even your flooring can become a food source. They thrive in moist environments, which makes our Mississippi climate perfect for them. Now their life cycle. Termites go through 3 stages: egg, nymph, and adult. As they grow, nymphs develop into different roles depending on what the colony needs. A single colony can grow into the hundreds of thousands or even millions of termites. That brings us to casts. There are 3 main casts: workers, soldiers, and reproductives. Workers are the ones doing the damage, feeding on wood and expanding the colony. Soldiers defend it. And reproductives include the king, queen, and swarmers, whose job is to start new colonies. Now let's talk about swarming, because this is when most homeowners in Hattiesburg and Petal first notice a problem. Swarmers are winged termites that leave the colony to reproduce. Around here, peak swarm season is typically February through May, especially after a warm rain. Formosan termites can also swarm later in the evening, often around porch lights and street lights. Here's what to look for: mud tubes along your foundation, piles of discarded wings near windows or doors, wood that sounds hollow when tapped, or visible structural damage. And the truth is, by the time you see these signs, termites have usually been there a while. That's why professional treatment matters. At Pro Control, we use Termidor SC, a non-repellent termiticide that termites can't detect. They pass right through it, pick it up, and carry it back to the colony. This creates what's called the transfer effect. Instead of just killing a few termites, it spreads through the entire colony, taking out workers, soldiers, and even the queen. That's how you eliminate the problem at the source, not just on the surface. And listen, around Hattiesburg and Petal, we've seen firsthand how fast termites can do damage. A small issue can turn into a major repair if it's not handled early. So, if you're seeing signs or just want peace of mind, Pro Control has you covered with professional inspections and proven treatments that work. To wrap it up, termites in South Mississippi are aggressive, persistent, and highly destructive. Knowing the signs and acting quickly can save you thousands. Stay proactive, stay protected. And if you're in the Hattiesburg, Petal, or surrounding area, call Pro Control and let us take care of it for you. Y'all have a blessed day and call us if you need us.